what should be your entry-level certification? And this is a response to a question that I got. Okay, here's my question. Right now I'm pursuing my master's degree in information technology with a minor in data privacy and security, and would like to add a certification, but I'm confused and need your help. I really don't want to take the Security Plus certification, but instead go for the SSCP. What do you think about that? Also, what do you think about the Certified Ethical Hacker certification? Thank you. But first of all, I don't know anybody who has the Systems Security Certified Practitioner. I know a lot of people have the Security Plus and a lot of people have the CISSP. And what I'll say about it is this. If your goal is to go for the CISSP, honestly, I would go for the C. If I was in your shoes and I was just starting out, I would go for the SSCP. And the SSCP is the Systems Security Certified Practitioner. And it basically is like half of the CISSP from what I know of the SSCP. And that is a better preparation for the CISSP. So if you're for sure going for the CISSP, do the SSCP first, because it's made by the same people who do the CISSP. When I first went for the CISSP, I actually went for the Security Plus first, and what I found after taking both tests is that Security Plus is really not a preparation for the CISSP. And I think it's a really, really good certification for somebody who's just starting out, so I wouldn't put it down. But if you're going for the CISSP, go for this SSCP first. In your question you asked, what do I think about the Certified Ethical Hacker? I think that's another good entry-level certification if you're going to become a pen tester. But also I think it's a good thing to have in your back pocket, because it goes into some of the common knowledge of basic hacker type stuff, basic malware, basic techniques that hackers use to infiltrate. Now the employers, it's good because employers are gonna look after that. I mean, some employers specifically look for Security Plus. Highly sought after certification. I don't see them looking for the SSP very often. However, I would still stick by the, if you're going for the CISSP, it's still a good one to go for. With CISSP and Security Plus, you can basically memorize it and go in there and take it and you could pass it. So that's my opinion. I think a lot of people talk crap about the CEH certification. I think it's awesome. I've read through this stuff. I've actually been to a couple of the classes, although I don't have the cert. I think it's basic level stuff. And I've been doing this stuff for 20 years and you need to know that basic stuff. I think it's good. And some of my coworkers have it, and I noticed that they have very solid understanding of different types of hacks. I know that they've changed the certification and there's been some controversy about the certification over the years, but I still think it's a good cert.